Boost your income by making money online with this advice. Just like many others out there, you may have difficulty finding work. This is leading many to turn to the internet for work. Online portals can offer great earning opportunities, and for those who work at it, a full-time income. Continue to find great advice on how to make money online. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Now that you're done watching this video, you understand what it takes to make money online. Now that you've watched this video, you will be able to easily make money from home. The more you know and do, the greater your income can become. Student loan,